Hi, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Belle Rose, and I'm doing a temporary hair color today. I'm starting off with freshly washed hair. This is just a close-up on my hair type. I don't actually know what type of hair type I have, but this is just a close-up on it. Today we're just gonna do regular little puffs, and I'm gonna put some hair color in it. So I wanted to be simple but also complicated, so I tried to do the zigzag pattern, and it just was not. It was a ultimate fail. I just don't know how to do it. But I'm stubborn, so I laughed it off, and I kept trying and kept trying and kept trying. I don't give up easily. I kept trying. At this point, I realized I don't think I'm gonna do it. I think I'm just completely and utterly done.
I'm taking a nap.
You want to take a nap?
I'm taking a nap here.
Okay, take a nap right there then.
So I went downstairs and I had my sister actually part it for me because it was just not gonna help. So after she helped me part it, I'm now gonna go in and I'm going to, after I find the right music, because you know you can't do your hair without the right music. Y'all feel me? Okay, y'all feel me. Gotcha. So I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna start brushing and detangling my hair. So now I'm going to go in with the Holy Water for Natural Girls Eco Styler, and I'm going to start putting some Eco Styler on my edges, not just for my edges but for the entire bun, just to slick it back so it has that nice pretty slick feeling. I'm actually going to do my edges off camera. So now that I'm finished with one side, I'm going to go in and start with the other side. Same thing, I'm going to detangle it. I'm not detangling on dry hair. My hair is still slightly wet. So anybody in the comments who are like, you're pulling out your hair, I'm not. My hair is still slightly wet. That's the only time I'll actually detangle is when it's wet. I do have a little leave-in conditioner in there as well, just to make it easier for me to detangle. So I'm going to go into the other side, do the exact same that I did for the other side, and just detangle, put some Eco Styler on it, and put it up in its bun. Now that I have it in this other puff, one side of my hair is kind of slightly longer than the other side just because of a hairstyle I had a couple years ago. I'm still trying to grow that out. So what I'm doing is I'm just fluffing it out so that both sides look even. And on that one side that's a little longer, I'm going to take a piece of hair and I'm going to wrap it around the bun just so I can hide that extra and make it as even as possible. Now I'm gonna go in, Gemini does give you this little lotion that you put in your hair. It's like a gel that kind of helps the color stay. So I'm gonna go in and put some of that in the buns. I'm only gonna put 2 pumps per bun, and I'm gonna put that on each side. So at this point, if you didn't want any hair color, this was the perfect time to just leave your hair just like this and just to have just regular buns. But I want hair color, so I'm going to use the Gemini. The name of the hair color is Purple Rain, and it comes in this kind of liquid form. It kind of looks like almost like liquid gel in a sense. And I'm only going to use 2 fingers. I'm going to start off with just putting my 2 fingers on there and putting it on my hand. And then I'm going to go ahead and lather it up and put it in my hair. As you can see, instantly the hair color it automatically just kind of absorbs into my hair and it just brightens my hair. I wasn't expecting it to work this well like the first time. I was expecting like, oh, you can only see it in the light, but it actually does pop out very well. And then as your hair dries, it does get more potent. Well, the color gets more potent. So I'm just adding as much as I want. Make sure I'm covering all the black spots because I do want a full purple puff. And after I'm done with this side, I'm going to go in with the other side. If you are worried about your hands staining, you don't have to worry about that at all. Your hands do not stain with this. You go, you wash your hands out. Just regularly wash your hands for the 20 seconds. Sing happy birthday and wash your hands. And the color comes immediately out. It's not a staining agent. And here we have the final product. Thank you guys so much for watching. I know it's quarantine time, so this is the perfect time to have just a little pop of color. If you guys like videos like this, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.